Welcome back to Mini Traders, your guide for algorithmic trading. In today's video, we're diving into an essential topic, Python operators. Operators allow us to perform various operations on values in our code. Before we jump into examples, let's first define what operators are. In Python, operators are symbols or special characters that allow us to perform operations like addition, subtraction, comparisons, and more. Let's start with arithmetic operators. We'll focus on operators commonly used in financial calculations. Take a look at this Jupyter notebook. Plus, this operator adds two values together. For example, 10 plus 5 equals 15. Minus. This operator subtracts one value from another. For example, 10 minus 5 equals 5. You can see other operators with their comment in Jupyter Notebook, and I will put the link for this notebook in description. These arithmetic operators are fundamental for performing calculations in algorithmic trading. Now, let's move on to assignment operators. They are used to assign values to variables. Some of them are used to do arithmetic operations on the same variable. Each example also includes a comment with an alternative assignment way, so make sure to explore them. Comparison operators are crucial for making decisions and comparing values. Here's what they do. These operators return either true or false based on the comparison. Finally, let's talk about logical operators. They are used to combine conditions and perform logical operations. The AND operator returns true if both conditions are true. The OR operator returns true if at least one condition is true. And the NOT operator negates the given condition. That wraps up our coverage of Python operators. We've learned about arithmetic, assignment, comparison, and logical operators, all of which are essential building blocks for algorithmic trading. Remember to practice what you've learned, and feel free to ask your question in comments. Stay tuned for more exciting content by subscribing to our channel and hitting the notification bell. Thanks for watching, have a good time, and bye.